हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल AMIS स्टडी सर्किल। और होपफुली आप सभी लोगों की तैयारी ठीक चल रही होगी उत्तराखंड पीसीएस को ध्यान में रखकर। तो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, लेट delve into today's topic, that is GLOF. So GLOF means glacial lake outburst flood. ठीक है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक फॉर प्री एज वेल एज फॉर द मेंस. So there are about 7,500 glacial lakes in the Himalayan region, out of which in Uttarakhand there are 1,400 glacial lakes alone in Uttarakhand. Out of these 1,400 lakes in Uttarakhand, 13 are most vulnerable, right? So today we have to discuss this important topic. और मान के चलिए ये टॉपिक प्री के लिए भी इंपॉर्टेंट है और मेंस के लिए भी, राइट? So this is the classification of the lake in Uttarakhand as per the size and as per the altitude. So we have to deal both of them. As per the size, we have 4 different kind of lakes: large lakes, medium lake, small lakes, and very small lakes. Fine. Large lakes are those glacial lakes which having the area 0.1 square kilometer and more. Medium lake lies between 0.1 to 0.05 square kilometer in area. Smaller lakes are those lakes which having the area of about 0.05 to 0.01 square kilometer only, and very small lakes also less than 0.01 square kilometer. So as per the size, there are 4 different kind of lakes, glacial lake actually, in Uttarakhand, and as per the altitude they are classified into 3. Very high lies between 6,000 to 5,000 meters above sea level. Higher lakes lies between 5,000 to 4,000 meter above sea level, and high lakes lies between 4,000 to 3,000 meter above sea level. So these are the classification as per the size and as per the altitude over the mountains, right? Next, these are 3 different images, satellite images of glaciers. This is of Gangotri glacier feeding to the Bhagirathi river. Let me zoom it for you people. गंगोत्री ग्लेशियर फीडिंग टू भागीरथी रिवर, ये एक सैटेलाइट इमेज है. भागीरथी खड़क एंड सतोपंथ ग्लेशियर फीडिंग टू द अलकनंदा रिवर एज सीन ऑन द FCC. ये इमेज है सितंबर 2018 की. एंड दिस ग्लेशियर इज चौराबाड़ी ग्लेशियर फीडिंग टू द मंदाकिनी रिवर. तीनों इमेजेस 2013 की हैं. ठीक है, एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आता ही है कि विच ग्लेशियर इज फीडिंग विच रिवर. सो there are about 1,400 small and large glaciers in the Uttarakhand Himalayas feeding the holy river like Ganga and its tributary. Gangotri glacier, originating from Chaukhamba Massif, is the largest valley glacier in the state, and it is about 30 km long. And this topic we have discussed in the last lecture also. Bhagirathi, Khadak and Satopant glaciers are main source of water for Alaknanda river, while Milamb is the second largest glacier of the Kumaon region, Uttarakhand. Other important glaciers of Uttarakhand are Dokriyani Glacier, Bagni and Drunagiri. Glaciers, ठीक है, कामेत group of glaciers, चौराबाड़ी glacier, पिंडारी glacier, बंदरपुंज glaciers are some other important group of glaciers lies in Uttarakhand, right? तो 2013 की आपको भीषण बाढ़ याद होगी जिसको हम फ्लैश फ्लड कहते थे, तो वो ग्लेशियल आउटबर्स्ट का ही एग्जाम्पल था. ठीक. As per the observation made from the high resolution Indian remote sensing satellite data of year 2015, Uttarakhand has about 1,353 glacial lakes. ठीक है, greater than 500 meters, located between an altitudinal range of 3,000 to 6,000 meters, covering a total area of about 7.96 square kilometer only. Glacial lakes are distributed across 6 northern districts of the state. Please note down कि ग्लेशियर्स हमको उत्तराखंड के कौन कौन से जिलों में देखने को मिलते हैं. ठीक है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. उत्तरकाशी, चमोली, पिथौरागढ़, टेहरी गढ़वाल, रुद्रप्रयाग एंड बागेश्वर. प्लीज नोट डाउन उत्तरकाशी, चमोली, पिथौरागढ़, टेहरी गढ़वाल एंड रुद्रप्रयाग along with बागेश्वर. Out of total about 1,353 glacial lakes, district Chamoli hosts the maximum number of lakes. याद रखेंगे इस बात को. In which of the following district, question can be asked, मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ ग्लेशियल लेक्स आर लोकेटेड, दैट इज चमोली. कितनी है? 713 लेक्स आर देयर. ओके, इस लेक्चर को सुनते समय आप लोग प्लीज अपना मोबाइल जो है वो लैंडस्केप मोड में रखिएगा, ठीक है. फॉलोड बाय उत्तरकाशी. इन उत्तरकाशी देयर आर 412 lakes. District Bageshwar has only 7 lakes, 7 glacial lakes, which is the least in all the districts. The largest lake cover an area of about more than 0.63 square kilometer, and it is located in the Alaknanda basin of the Chamoli district. The highest lake is also in Chamoli district, located at an altitude of about 5,887 meter above sea level. Out of these 1,353 lakes, 37 lakes are identified as proglacial. These are very important terms. Proglacial lakes, of which 22 proglacial lakes are moraine dammed. Moraine dammed. It is a term. It is a kind of a landform which is created by a glacier. 839 lakes are supraglacial lakes. इन सबको मैं अभी बताऊंगा कि ये किस प्रकार की होती है. In which 51 lakes are ice blocked. 407 lakes are periglacial lakes. Please note down. Of which 94 are moraine dammed. 49 lakes are formed in the lateral moraine, and 3 lakes have formed in the medial moraine of glaciers. These are the very important keywords for the mains examination as well. So please note down all these terms. सभी terms आपकी help करेंगे आंसर राइटिंग में. It is remarkable to note that out of 1,353 glacial lakes, 541 lakes is formed between 5,000 to 6,000 meter above sea level, constituting 40% of the total lakes. Please note down, most of the glacial lakes are lies between 5,000 to 6,000 meter. ठीक है. About 57% lakes is formed between the 4,000 to 5,000 meter above sea level. यानी कि नंबर ऑफ लेक्स इस वाली हाइट में क्या है, ज्यादा है, राइट. दीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म्स एज वेल एज इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन फॉर प्री एज वेल एज फॉर द मेंस, राइट. नाउ लेट अस डील विद दीज टर्म्स. व्हाट आर ग्लेशियल लेक्स, प्रोग्लेशियल, सुप्राग्लेशियल एंड ऑल. ये सब मैंने आपके लिए लिखा है यहाँ पे. प्रोग्लेशियल लेक्स आर फॉर्म्ड व्हेन ग्लेशियर melts and retreats, creating a depression that fills with the melt water. So how the proglacial lakes are formed? You must have been heard about the term the retreating of the glacier. And glacier is also capable enough to make various kind of landforms by accumulating the ice, by eroding the surface. So this glacial lakes are formed due to the retreating of the glacier, right? And which causes a depression, and this depression is filled with the meltwater, and hence the lakes are formed. Second category we have supraglacial lakes. These lakes are formed on the surface of the glacier, right? Periglacial lakes are formed in an area adjacent to the glaciers but not directly connected to them. Very important. And all these different kind of lakes are found in Uttarakhand. Make sure ये सभी प्रकार की जो लेक्स हैं, ग्लेशियर लेक्स, उत्तराखंड में देखने को मिलती हैं. सर्क के बारे में भी आपको पता होगा. इट इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ अ लैंडफॉर्म व्हिच इज क्रिएटेड बाय glaciers. These lakes are forms in cirques. Cirques mean a depressed kind of surface. Are natural amphitheaters. What are the natural amphitheaters? A oval shape or a circular form, right? Created by a glacial erosion. It means what? The cirques is a landform which is created by glacier due to the erosional activity. Erosion causes what? A kind of a depression, and this depression must be filled with water. Right? So these are 4 different kind of lakes. You must remember all these things for the upcoming examination, for mains as well, right? आगे बढ़ते हैं. This is the image which is showing us the location of different kind of lakes. मीडियम लेक, स्मॉल लेक, लार्ज लेक एंड वेरी स्मॉल लेक्स. आप देख सकते हैं मोस्ट ऑफ द ग्लेशियर लाइज इन द अपर हिमालयस पार्ट इन मेजरली इन द 3 districts, that is उत्तरकाशी, चमोली एंड बागेश्वर region. Okay, let me zoom आप इसको पॉज करके देखिएगा कि किस तरीके से इसको चिन्हित किया गया है, राइट। व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज अ सर्क लेक। दिस इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ अ सर्क लेक। यहाँ पर देखिए बगल में हेमकुंड साहिब मौजूद है, एंड दिस इज अबाउट 4170 मीटर above sea level, located in the upper Alaknanda basin, that is a part of the central Himalayas. So Hemkund Sahib is an example of a glacial lake. Which kind of glacial lake? Cirque lake. It is an example of what? Cirque lake. मैं यहाँ पे लिख दे रहा हूँ, Hemkund Sahib is an example of a Cirque lake. Hemkund Sahib is an example of a glacial lake, Cirque lake, right? याद रखेंगे इस बात को। हाइट कितनी है? 4170 मीटर above the sea level. Now let us deal with the category of the different kind of lakes. So we have 5 different categories: प्रोग्लेशियल लेक, सुप्राग्लेशियल लेक, पेरीग्लेशियल लेक एंड सर्क लेक्स, जैसा कि अभी हमने देखा। प्रोग्लेशियल लेक is further divided into 2 types, that is pro lake and moraine dammed pro lakes. The number of pro lake is 15 and area is about 1.22 square kilometer. Moraine dammed pro lakes is 22 in numbers and area is 0.81 square kilometer only. The supraglacial lakes are further classified into 2 different types, that is supra lake and ice blocked lakes. The supra lake is about 788. That means the number of supra lake is maximum in Uttarakhand. It covers an area of about 1.70 square kilometer only. Ice blocked lakes are 51 in numbers and area is about only 0.08 square kilometer. Periglacial lake is classified into 2, that is periglacial and moraine dammed peri lakes. They are 313 in numbers, covers an area of about 1.77 square kilometer. While moraine dammed peri lake are 94 in numbers with covering an area of about 1.28 square kilometer. Cirque lake having no classification further, they are 18 in numbers and it covers an area of about 0.63 square kilometer. While in other categories, there are lateral moraine lakes and medial moraine lakes. These are again specific terms used in the glacier. Okay, they are 49 in numbers, covering an area of about 0.40, while the medial moraine lakes are only 3. याद रखेंगे, और 0.07 square kilometer इसका area है. So in this way, in Uttarakhand there are 1353 glacial lakes, covering an area of about 7.96 square kilometer. Right? Very useful information. Now, glacial lakes in Chamoli district. Chamoli, as you know, that is the second largest district of Uttarakhand. It is the most famous for hosting a variety of pilgrims and other things. We are not concerned about that. The Alaknanda river we are concerned, but not concerned in this lecture. The Alaknanda river, a major tributary of the river Ganga, originates in this district. Very important. Badrinath is located on this river near Mana village. Satopant, Bhagirathi, Khadak, Tipra, Bank, Drunagiri, Bagni, Rajbank are some of the important glaciers located in Chamoli district. Please note down, these are the host of various different glaciers of Chamoli. Chamoli having maximum number of glacial lakes, right? So there are about 713 glacial lakes in this district, which is the highest in Uttarakhand, and in which the Hemkund Sahib, Kag Bhusandi and Satopant Tal are some of the notable glacial lakes. याद रखेंगे, all of these lakes are glacial in nature. So Nainital is an example of which kind of lake? It is not a glacial lake, it is a tectonic lake, right? We are dealing with what? Glacial lakes in this session. Hemkund Sahib and Kag Bhusandi are cirque lake. Again, very important. Both of these lakes are an example of a cirque lakes. Whereas the Satopant lake is formed between two lateral moraines of Satopant glacier. The glacial lakes area is dominated by proglacial lakes and supraglacial lakes. The periglacial lake also comprises of the major portion of the glacial lake area. All of these are in Chamoli district, right? Very important information. Now moving down to Rudraprayag district. The district of Rudraprayag is most famous for what? Kedarnath temple. River Mandakini originating from Kedarnath is an important tributary of river Ganga. ये सब भी हमको पता है. तो इस मैप में देखिए, there are two different kind of glacial lakes. One is supraglacial. It is denoted by a blue star. ठीक है, by a blue star. आप इसको जरा रोक कर देखिएगा, पॉज करके देखिएगा कि क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं हम. And the periglacial lake, which is denoted by the green stars. आपको मोबाइल में पॉज करके देखना होगा ये, राइट. बागेश्वर डिस्ट्रिक्ट is a small district of Uttarakhand located in the Kumaon division, and it is known for its scenic beauty and various temples and glaciers also. The district is bounded on the west and the northwest by Chamoli district. एग्जाम में ये भी आ जाता है. In Bageshwar there are three different kind of glacial lakes: supraglacial, periglacial and Cirque Lake. Cirque Lake is denoted by red star, while the green star denotes periglacial and the blue star denotes supraglacial lake. Fine. याद रखेंगे. Pindari is the main river of this district, which originates from the Pindari glacier at an altitude of about 3,950 meter above sea levels. In Bageshwar there are 7 glacial lakes, ठीक है, of which 5 are supraglacial lakes. Very important. One each as periglacial lake and Cirque type of lake. It means in Bageshwar we have only one Cirque type of lake and periglacial lake, only one, while 5 are supraglacial. ठीक. In Garhwal district, आप जानते हैं Garhwal is one of the largest district of the Garhwal division in Uttarakhand. The district is bounded by Uttarkasi in the north, Rudraprayag in the east, Pauri Garhwal in the south, and Dehradun in the west. These are the some useful information which shares the boundary around Tehri Garhwal. Geographical area of this district is about 3,796 square kilometer. Bilangana, which is a major tributary of Bhagirathi, flows through the district, and Khatling is an important glacier in this district, right? So in Tehri Garhwal there are 5 different categories of glacial lakes: proglacial, supraglacial, periglacial and Cirque Lake. You must note down this. In Tehri Garhwal there are 5 categories of glacial lakes: proglacial, supraglacial, periglacial and Cirque Lake, and other lakes also. So there are 21 glacial lakes in Tehri Garhwal, right? So आज के लेक्चर में हमने क्या देखा? हमने ग्लेशियल लेक्स के बारे में देखा है, एंड ऑल ऑफ देम आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. प्री में भी क्वेश्चन बनने की संभावना रहती है और मेंस में भी. ओके, तो अगर प्री में किसी वजह से क्वेश्चन नहीं आता है तो मान के चलिए मेंस में यहाँ से क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. तो इस लेक्चर में फिलहाल इतना ही. हमारे साथ बने रहिए, जुड़े रहिए, एंड प्लीज राइट सम कमेंट्स इन द कमेंट बॉक्स एंड गिव मी सम सजेशंस आल्सो. ओके, तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में. थैंक यू.